Oh, also, quick update. About a month ago, I added a video where we changed out the fuel pump in this truck. It's the 6.2 gas. I'm happy to report I didn't post a video right away. I wanted to drive the truck for a few weeks and make sure it was good and hot out. Drive it to town, shutting it off, cranking it up repeatedly. The replacing the fuel pump did fix the problem. Of course, you can watch the other video I have posted when I was changing the fuel pump out. I highly recommend it. It will fix the problem. Go to like rockauto.com or any place like that. As far as from what I understand, if you go order a new fuel pump for these trucks, period, it is the updated fuel pump. It will even say in the notes on the specs where it'll say updates or whatever, OEM with updates, is I think what mine said. I've drove the truck repeatedly, shutting it off, cranking it up. It's about 90 degrees out today. I've driven the truck already 2 or 3 times to town. No issue at all with starting up. It did fix the problem. So for any of you guys with the 2017 and up, 6.2 and I think even the 7.3 gas trucks was doing it, put the new fuel pump in. Probably about a 4-hour job. You can see in my earlier video I posted, some tips and things you can do to make it a little bit easier on yourself. The one thing I will touch on is on the 6.2 gas. Some guys are still complaining about the delay start, meaning when they go to crank the truck up, it's taking that extra second or two to start up. It is supposed to do that. These trucks are programmed to have a delay start, and the 2011 trucks and up, all the way through 2016, the 6.2 gas actually called for 5W20 oil, and people was complaining that the truck was literally starting so fast. It wasn't giving oil enough time to get up to the lifters and get up to the top of the engine, and customers was complaining about the engines rattling. So in the 2017 and up, Ford went to recommending a 5W30, a little bit heavier weight oil, and also programming the truck a delay start, which actually makes the truck turn over extra. I think it's 2 seconds roughly, and there's some articles and stuff on this. You can read about other guys talking about it. But it is supposed to delay start to give that oil time to get up into the top of the engine to prevent the lifters from rattling and things like that. And like I said, there's also the heavier oil viscosity that Ford went to also on these trucks. So you guys out there with the gas burners, I'm seeing gas burners popping up left and right for sale, probably because they're mad, peed off like I am. I know a guy just the other day had a 2020 model. I think his was a 7.3 gas, had like 8,000 miles on it. He was mad. It was his truck was not starting up at all in some instances. He took it to the dealership. They would not fix it. But it is the fuel pump. It's not the purge valve. It's not programming. It's not this. It's not that. It is the fuel pump. You have to replace the fuel pump. Once you do that, it's fine. I've noticed the idle, at low idle, when you're sitting and it's warm out like it is hot out, before my idle was a little bit rough actually. It's only idling like 500-600 RPM. The idle seems to be much better. I'm having a better acceleration. I have not noticed a big improvement on gas mileage. I saw some guys talking about they thought might have been an improvement, and it might be a little bit. Don't quote me on that. It depends on how you drive one. But other than that, the issue is the fuel pump. And in the earlier video I posted, I think it's got something to do with that module on top of the fuel pump. There's a module on there. It's a Bosch module. What everybody's saying is that the factory pumps loses its prime, especially in hot weather. Once you drive a truck and park it, that module is supposed to have the fuel system keep its prime, and it's not. It's letting the fuel system lose its prime, which in essence is the truck will not start up properly. And the thing I've noticed about this truck is I believe these models are supposed to keep I guess what I'd call a constant prime. And what I mean by that, when you go to start this truck up, you will not hear the fuel pump. In the older Ford model trucks with the electric fuel pump, you always hear that thing running in the fuel tank. When you first crank it up, you'll hear that little whizzing sound or a whistling sound, whatever you want to call it. You can hear the motor, the fuel pump itself, priming the system. When you start the truck up on these models, you don't, because it is supposed to keep a constant prime, which is what that module on top of the fuel pump does. And I guess there's something there. I read something about there's some sort of valve or something in the fuel pump itself that it's not keeping prime, which is why the truck will not start. And I know I'm just rambling on, but this is a serious issue on these trucks. A lot of guys are getting mad, selling their trucks, having problems with the dealership. Ford will not do a recall on it, which is ridiculous. They should. They're putting recalls on stuff like door locks and everything else, but they won't do it on the fuel pump. But it was bothering me enough, and getting to where the truck was really having problems starting up. I did replace the fuel pump, and it has fixed the problem. So there you go. Hope this helps you out. 2017 and up, F250, F350, 6.2 gas, 7.3 gas. Put a new fuel pump in it if you're having a delay start / hard start, no start issues.